So far, we've touched up on the four most popular loan programs, and in this video, I want to talk about another subset of loans called non-QM loans. Now, these loans are not very well known by most people, but it's a category of mortgage loans that may provide a tailored solution for borrowers who just simply don't meet the traditional qualification standards of the government-backed programs such as conventional loans, FHA, VA, and USDA. So let's explore the benefits and features of non-QM loans and how they can help you achieve homeownership. Now, the biggest benefit is that non-QM loans provide an expanded qualification criteria. So non-QM loans actually take into account various factors beyond traditional income and credit requirements. This basically means that borrowers who may not qualify for conventional loans, such as self-employed individuals or those who have non-traditional income sources, have an opportunity to secure financing. Now, the second biggest benefit is a flexible debt-to-income ratio, because these loans actually might allow you to purchase a home with a higher debt-to-income ratio than a regular typical mortgage. So if maybe you were turned down to purchase a home with a conventional mortgage, one of these non-QM loans may actually allow you to borrow a little bit more money in order to purchase your property. And finally, most importantly, alternative documentation options, because non-QM loans may actually allow alternative documentation for income verification. Now, this means that borrowers with non-traditional income or complex financial situations can provide alternative proof of income, such as bank statements or asset verifications, making the loan process more accessible. So, for example, a self-employed borrower who may not show enough income on their tax returns in order to qualify for a conventional mortgage or an FHA loan may actually be able to provide 12 months of consecutive bank statements with sufficient business income activities in order to qualify. And lastly, one of the biggest benefits that non-QM loans can provide you is that it can accommodate purchasing unique property types who may not meet the traditional lending guidelines. So this includes properties with non-conforming characteristics or mixed-use properties, which might be part residential or part commercial. These property types may not qualify for a regular type of mortgage, but non-QM loans might be a good option for you. Now, let's discuss a few important considerations when it comes to non-QM loans that you definitely want to understand. The first one is that the interest rates and terms might be a little bit different and actually higher than other types of loans, because these loans actually have a little bit more risk, and because they have more risk, then the rates and the fees might be a little bit higher for borrowers. Now, the second is going to be lender requirements. So non-QM loans are not actually offered by many lenders. So if you want to find a particular program with a non-QM loan, you may need to reach out to a lender that actually specializes in doing these type of mortgages. Now, finally, something that you really want to understand about non-QM loans is that it does require bigger down payments. So compared to the regular types of mortgages that may allow you to purchase a home with a low down payment, such as 3%, or maybe even sometimes no down payment, well, non-QM loans actually require down payments anywhere between 10% to 20 or even 25% as the very bare minimum. In conclusion, non-QM loans are a great option for borrowers who may not meet all the requirements of traditional mortgage programs, because with even more flexible qualification criteria and alternative documentation options, you can secure financing even in the most complex financial situations.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this Ultimate Home Buying series. My name is Alice Lee. I'm a local realtor serving all the Metro Atlanta areas. And whether you're thinking about moving in the next 10 or 100 days, we are here to help you with all your needs. You can find resources and contact information in the description box below, and you can also schedule a call to discuss your real estate strategy and talk about next steps. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.